Hey, it's one of my favorites. It's an Edge Sport. This one's a 2016 with 39,000 kilometers on it. We have a front-facing camera with split view. We have rear-facing camera, reverse sensing, remote entry, remote start. High output engine, of course. I think it's a 2.7 liter. Inside, all the power goodies. Leather suede seating, power heated cooled front seats, heated rear seats, big panoramic roof there. Navigation, voice navigation. This one has auto park, lane keeping. This one's got everything. You're going to find it. Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver. Drop by and see us.